Namaskar. The majority of people have sweet tooth. For some, a meal is incomplete without sweet. And for others, they can eat sweet any time in a day. Excessive sugar is extremely harmful to the body. It can lead to high blood pressure, weight gain, diabetes, and fatty liver disease. But that does not mean that you should avoid sweet completely. Switch to natural sweeteners. They are healthy for your body and consume them in limitation. Today, we will talk about few natural sweeteners which can replace sugar. First one, date. Dates are low calorie, high nutrient sugar substitute. Dates are excellent source of fibers, minerals and vitamins. But keep in mind that dates are highly sweet, so use them sparingly in your recipes. To prepare a date paste, blend a bowl of seedless dates, 1 cup warm water and 3/4 cup in a blender. This paste of dates can be kept as a chutney and you could eat it with uttapam, dosas and all other things. For a sweet taste, it can be used as a salad dressings. Date energy ball as a laddu is highly nutritious. Along with date, put roasted almond. That would be most tasty. There is one very sweet recipe. Take 1 cup of seedless dates and add half a cup of almonds, walnuts. You can add even seeds like pumpkin, sunflower and all that and make a laddu out of it. In a blender, mix all these ingredients. Make small balls out of the mixture and this can be eaten for breakfast or evening snack. Second, raisin paste. If you don't have dates, you can use raisins or kishmish for paste. And this is quite beneficial for your health. Raisins are abundant with iron, which is healthy for heart. It also has vitamin C, which would help boosting your immunity. It has antioxidant, which helps in brain function. It has fibers for a better digestion. To prepare a thick and tasty raisin paste, simply take a cup of raisin and a cup of hot water and blend it well. You can have this raisin paste as a chutney with your food and use it with your breakfast cereals like oatmeals and such things. Third, jaggery, good. Another great substitute for sugar is jaggery. Jaggery is high in iron, which helps in prevention of anemia as well as improving immune function. It helps in glucose regulation as well as weight management. Jaggery helps to stimulate the digestive enzyme in our body. Have a small piece of jaggery after meals to prevent constipation and improve digestion. You can snack on jaggery and roasted yellow chanas, grams, which is also very helpful when you have a cold. Add jaggery syrup with your herbal tea or different beverages for a good taste. Fourth, honey. Honey is a natural sweetener. However, it contains more calories than the white sugar. Although it has a nutritional value, it should be consumed in a moderation. Honey is rich in antioxidants, which can help body fight inflammation. Inflammation can cause several health problems such as heart disease, autoimmune disorders, and cancer. Honey is also used for sore throat and is highly recommended for children. Add a spoon of honey to the glass of warm water, peel little half a lemon and drink it first in the morning for better digestion to prevent cold, cough and respiratory problems. It builds warmth in your body and it is best consumed in winter season. Add a spoon of honey in your herbal tea or beverages in cold climate. If you have a sore throat, a spoon of honey with little turmeric will really help you to feel better. There are many more natural sweeteners options in the market, such as coconut sugar, molasses, different varieties of jaggeries and honey mixed with many other things and so on. However, these things are highly processed and lack nutrition values. And so it becomes that it is just like consuming a refined sugar. Switch to these natural sweeteners and understand that moderation is the key to good health. Namaskar.